Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you what I am prepping for this week. This is for myself and my hubby for lunches and for snacks. Just a few ideas here that I'm going to try and get through today. Hint, I didn't get through all of it. I've also got some ideas here for the boys' lunches. Also didn't get through all this stuff as well, but it did give me some ideas for the rest of the week. So without any further ado, let's jump into it. So first thing here, I am making some boiled eggs. Last week I did this and they all went before the end of the week. So it's just easy to throw them in your lunchbox and have them when you're feeling a bit peckish. I was only going to do 10, but then I decided to throw in the last 2. So basically I just put them all in a pot, cover them with cold water, and then I put them on the stove, put it on to boil. I leave it for 15 minutes, so from cold to boiling it goes for 15 minutes, and then I basically just wash them with some cold water and leave them to sit for a while, and yeah, they're usually ready when I want to peel them. They peel really well. So yeah, I've just covered with a bit of cling film and put them in the fridge. Okay, so the next thing, we've got my usual fish, rice and veggies. As usual, I'm going to cook the fish and then put the veggies and the rice straight into my meal prep containers. I got these containers, I believe I got them from the Wish app, but if I can find the link, I will link it down below. But I'm really loving these at the moment. The lids have broken a bit, but you know what, they weren't that expensive. So yeah, just gonna put all this together and have another few meals for the week. Okay, so the next thing we've got here are carrots, tomato and hummus. So just going to put them into these containers. This hummus is so delicious. It's roasted garlic hummus by Black Swan. I love it. It's got a very nice tangy taste. So yeah, I'm going to chop these up, throw them in the container, and there's a quick snack for when I'm at work. Okay, so the next thing here is I'm roasting some vegetables for another lunch for the week. I'm doing some roasted vegetables and some barbecue chicken that I've just gotten from the shop. So just roasting the vegetables, just chopping them up to bite-sized pieces, and then I'll put some seasonings. I think I just put onion powder, some all-purpose seasoning, and salt and pepper, and then just roasting them in the oven until they start going golden and less crunchy. I think it took maybe 20 minutes or so. But yeah, I've got broccoli, cauliflower, some capsicum, and some sweet potato. So let's have a look. Okay, so here are the roasted vegetables. I'm just portioning them out into the meal prep containers. Just putting some of the capsicum in 2 of them because the hubby isn't a big fan of them. So yeah, just portioning them out, and then I'll add the chicken, just chop that up, and there is my meal for the week. The same as last week, I am just washing my grapes just to try and help me eat some more. I found last week I did grab for them and had them for morning tea, and it was just easier having them already prepped and washed. I didn't have to worry about it. I just threw them in the container and took them to work. So now I have some leftover cheese from Christmas, so I'm just using up some of that to make up some snack boxes. So just chopping up some cheese, some Twiggy sticks or salami sticks, and some nuts, assorted roasted nuts that I got from the shop. And it was a really quick snack. I actually ate one of these pretty much as soon as I made it, so I only had one of these for lunch, but it was still good. Also just chopping up some of the extra cheese, just so that I have it there and I can put them into the boys' lunches during the week, just as a quick snack. There were little bits of blueberries stuck to it because I made a cheese and fruit platter, but there was a couple of pieces that weren't any good, so they went in the bin. Okay, so I had a massive pack of 24 sausages left over from Christmas and I needed to use them. So I am just frying them up, and I've got a few ideas for dinner to use these sausages. So here are the ideas. So I've got a sausage hot pot, which is a slow cooker, deviled sausages and a curried sausages. So I actually used the curried sausages for tonight, but I'm also going to prep the sausage hot pot and the deviled sausages. So I'm just chopping up a whole 2 onions here, just to go in to 2 of the meals. I actually realised that I need another one later in the show, but we'll just go with 2 for now. The deviled sausages also needed an apple just chopped up, so I'm also doing that. Okay, so the first meal I'm going to do is the deviled sausages, and this is one that I'm going to throw in the freezer. So I've just got the 8 sausages that I need, and I'm just going to fry off my onion and apple and just get them nice and soft. And when they're soft, then I add the sausages back again. And then here I am just snacking on some of the extra roasted veggies there. But yeah, so just going to fry off the onion and apple, and then I'm going to chop up my sausages, hopefully without getting them all on the floor, which they do seem to do. But yeah, once I've chopped them up, I'm going to add them back into the pan. Okay, so in here I've got the meal packet with some water and some tomato sauce, and I'm just going to simmer this for about 15 minutes and it'll be ready. And then I just throw it into a container and okay, so the next meal I'm going to prep is the sausage hot pot, which goes in the slow cooker. I've chopped up my sausage, and there is the other onion. I'm going to add some frozen veggies, then the meal packet to some water and honey. When I'm ready, I'll stick this in the freezer, and then when I'm ready to cook it, I'll just cook it in the slow cooker on low for 8 hours. Okay guys, so here are all the lunches and snacks that I've prepped. Here is the 2 snack boxes that I made, some crepes, the other carrots and tomato with hummus, also got the boiled eggs. I've got I think it was about 10 lunches all up there, and also the 3 dinners making the sausages. This happened over a few hours because I had some family drop in at lunchtime, which that doesn't matter. It was a Sunday. You don't want Sundays to be too stressful. So yeah, just do what you can do. If you can't do this much, just do a little bit. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the comments. Bye.